The Trilogy folding hard tonneau cover by LEER provides more secure cargo space and gives you the freedom to do more with your truck. Installing it takes only about 6 minutes. No tools, no assembly. You can drive with it in the folded open position or fully closed as a secure bed cover. The dent-resistant aluminum exterior is treated with a special UV-resistant fluorocarbon to resist fading, and the surface is textured and treated with an alloy hardener. The interior is filled with a dense XPS solid core. The beveled aluminum outside edges have nearly 3 times the strength of similar models, and a durable powder coating protects the surface to keep it looking new. To fold it back, just release 2 latches. When the cover is folded back, the latches fit into a recessed pocket, making the process quick and easy. LED lights inside help you see the latches and cargo when the cover is in place. At the folding joints, the hinges are double sealed to channel water to the outside edges and keep your truck bed dry. When the cover is folded back, use the tie-down straps to secure it. Snap in the clips and give a pull to secure the straps. And for more security, Trilogy also comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Once your Trilogy is on board, you have a truck with more secure cargo space and the potential to do more of the things you want to do. The possibilities are endless. LEER. Live larger.